Good morning, students. In continuation, chapter 11, Muni, today I am going to explain profit and loss, exercise 11.2. Question number 1. Find profit or loss in each case. A part. Cost price CP is equal to rupees 200. SP selling price is equal to rupees 260. Here we see that selling price rupees 260 is greater than cost price rupees 200. So there is profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 260 minus 200. So profit is equal to rupees 60. Question number 1, B part. Cost price is equal to rupees 181. Selling price is equal to rupees 220. Overhead charges is equal to rupees 17. So total CP. Here CP is given rupees 181 and overhead charges is rupees 17. So total cost price will be CP plus overhead charges 181 plus rupees 70. It is the total cost price. Now we see that SP is equal to rupees 220 and our total cost price is rupees 198. So selling price is greater than cost price. There is profit, and profit is equal to cost selling price minus cost price. 220 minus 198. Profit is equal to rupees 22. Question number 1, C part. Cost price CP is equal to rupees 750. Selling price SP is equal to rupees 700. Here we see that cost price 750 is greater than selling price rupees 700. So there is loss, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. 750 minus 700, and loss is equal to rupees 50. Question number 1, D part. Cost price is equal to rupees 640. Selling price is equal to rupees 705. Overhead charges is equal to rupees 80. First of all, we will find total cost price. So cost price rupees 640 and overhead charges rupees 80. Total cost price will be 640 plus 80 is equal to rupees 720. Now, cost price 720 is greater than selling price rupees 705. So we all know that when cost price is greater than SP, there is loss, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. 720 minus 705 is equal to rupees 15, and loss is equal to rupees 15. Question number 2. Find the selling price in each case. A part. Cost price is equal to rupees 835. Profit is equal to rupees 65. In my previous lesson, I explained two formulas. When CP and profit is given, then SP is equal to CP plus profit. When CP and loss is given, then SP selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Now, in this part, A part, cost price is given to us, that is rupees 835, and profit is given to us. So we will use the formula SP is equal to cost price plus profit. Rupees 835 plus 65, and the selling price is equal to rupees 900. Question number 2, B part. Cost price is equal to rupees 9,530. Profit is equal to rupees 725, and overhead charges is equal to rupees 180. So total cost price will be cost price plus overhead charges 9,530 plus Overhead charges are 180. So total cost price will be rupees 9,710. And as profit is equal to rupees 725. So selling price is equal to total cost price plus profit. 9,710 plus 725. Selling price will be rupees 10,435. Question number 2, C part. Cost price is equal to rupees 6,052 and loss is equal to rupees 95. As we know, the formula is selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. 6,052 minus 95 and selling price is equal to rupees 5,957. Question number 2, E part. Cost price is equal to rupees 7,349. Loss is equal to rupees 1,024 and overhead charges is equal to rupees 210. So total cost price will be cost price plus overhead charges 7,349 plus 210. Total cost price will be 7,559. Selling price is equal to total cost price minus loss. Now our total cost price is 7,559 minus loss 1,024 is equal to rupees 6,535. Question number 3. Find the cost price in each case. A part. Selling price is equal to rupees 3,057. Profit is equal to rupees 569. In my previous lesson, I have explained when SP is given, profit is given, cost price will be selling price minus profit. When SP is given, loss is given, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So here in this question, selling price is given and profit is given. So cost price will be selling price minus profit. 3,057 minus 569 is equal to rupees 2,488. Question number 3. C part. Selling price is equal to 4,480. Profit is equal to rupees 950. Now we have to find out cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. 4,480 minus 950 is equal to rupees 3,530. So cost price is equal to 3,500. Question number 3, E part. Selling price is equal to rupees 575 and loss is given rupees 45. Now we have to find out cost price in term of selling price and loss. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss and cost price is equal to 575 plus 45 is equal to rupees 620 and cost price is equal to rupees 620. Students, these sums do it in your maths notebook. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.